Even though this is a writing class, I'd like to start out by talking about the brain. I'm here in the biology department with a model of the human brain. As you can see, the brain has two halves, right and left, and as you may know, each half controls different functions and skills. The left half, for example, controls sequential, logical, analytical thought. It's good at criticizing things and it loves grammar, but it doesn't know the first thing about using language in expressive ways. The right brain, on the other hand, is holistic and creative. It can't remember whether to use the simple past or the present perfect, but it's great at coming up with original ideas and unique ways of saying things. So what does this have to do with the writing process? Everything. Because writing isn't something that happens miraculously in one instant by extremely talented people. Writing is a process with 4 distinct phases, some of which are performed by one side of the brain and some by the other. Everyone has to go through each phase in order to produce an effective essay or letter or poem. These phases are generating ideas, organizing ideas, writing them down, and revising. Each step is critical to the success of your writing. If you skip even one step, your final product won't be as good. The really cool thing about the writing process is that different steps use different sides of your brain. For instance, let's say that you have to write a paper about the worst experience of your life. The first thing you have to do is figure out what that experience was. And to do that, you have to generate ideas, which means you need to turn your left brain off and let your right brain shine. So how do you engage your right brain? Sometimes a change of scenery helps. Some people like to walk or run or just sit still. Others like to brainstorm or free write or cluster. Part of what you'll learn in this class is what methods work best for you. Once you've figured out what you want to write about, you need to use your left brain to devise a structure for your paper, one that you can use as you start to write. The actual writing involves both sides of your brain. The left brain keeps you on track with grammar and sequencing, while the right brain supplies details and creative language. Speaking for myself as a writer, it can be a little bewildering. That's why we need revision, the final step in the writing process. Revision also uses both sides of the brain, the left for editing and the right for creative solutions to your paper's larger problems. As you can see, writing really is a full brain process. I look forward to working with all your brains in Writing 121.